Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm sharing how I built a modern cedar bench with an open shelf underneath for storing firewood. To create the design of this modern cedar bench, I'll be using 2x4 boards to create a strong and sturdy frame, and sheathing them with 1x6 boards to give the illusion of a waterfall edge. To get started, cut the 2x4 frame pieces to length with a miter saw. Next, cut the 1x6 sheathing for the outside of the legs and seat boards to length. Using a pocket hole jig, prep the 2x4 seat pieces for assembly. To create the legs, lay out the 3 pieces that make up the first leg. Apply glue to their joints, and then drill pilot holes through the base and into the uprights. Drive 2 3-inch screws through the base and into each upright to connect the parts. Repeat to create the second leg assembly. To build the frame for the seat, lay all the boards flat and then connect their joints with glue and pocket hole screws. It's now time to connect the seat frame to the legs. To do this, stand the legs upright with the overhang of the bottom board facing inward. Apply glue to the top end of each leg piece. Set the assembled seat frame in place on the legs, flush with their outside edge. Now drive pilot holes through the seat frame and into the top of each leg, and then drive 3-inch screws through each pilot hole to secure the parts. To add the 1x6 sheathing to the outside of the legs, apply glue and then position the 1x6 boards vertical on the frame. Using a pneumatic nailer and 1.5-inch nails, secure the boards to the frame to sheathe the sides of the bench. Add the 1x6 seat boards in the same way, applying glue and then nailing through the 2x4 frame and into the vertical sheathing boards. Next, position the 1x6 shelf boards in the opening below the seat, resting their ends on the 2x4 lip. Secure them with glue and nails. To support the shelf under the weight of the firewood, I added a 2x4 support board underneath the center of the shelf and installed it with glue and nails. To create the face frame of this bench, I could have just used the 1x6 boards as is, but I decided to rip their width slightly smaller to create a larger opening for the firewood underneath the bench. To do that, I used my table saw to rip 1 inch off of the boards and then mitered each of their joints at 45 degrees. Using glue and nails, secure the face frame boards in place. Now you have a finished firewood storage bench that can double as storage for shoes in warmer months. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy woodworking projects and tool tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.